What's up, you guys? Your boy Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week as a Forex day trader. Remember, I told you guys last 2 weeks that I dropped the last episode of this video that I'm expecting GJ to reach a resistance zone before it will start reversing or start dropping from that zone. So GJ reached that resistance zone on Friday and it was amazing. Yeah, so let's go directly to the video. Let me show you guys how I traded and what I was saying. Let's go now. Right now, let's go. Guys, welcome you guys to my chat. Amazing. Yeah, so it has been amazing experience all this while. I've been so chill, like I'm building some certain things. That's why I haven't been trading. Yeah, I've been receiving some messages from some people that was like, you're not active on your Telegram channel. That's true. I'm not active on my Telegram channel. I'm not dropping any trade signal because I'm busy right now. I'm building some certain things out. So by next month, February, I'll start being consistent in dropping trades on my channel always, as I always do. Yeah, so amazing. Yeah, so I really want to share with you guys what I was last week started from somewhere here. We can see this red line, these two red line here, this and this. So this is my high and low of the week. So the market went up and above and started going up. It didn't even retest at all. It didn't show any sign of retest. Only where it drops was somewhere here. Then it started moving up. So remember last 2 weeks I told you guys that I'm waiting for this market to reach this zone here. That's where I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity. That I'm not going to sell this market from anywhere. That was last 2 weeks. That was somewhere here. Yeah, that was somewhere here. From here, I was thinking that this market will come down to this place. When it was moving, I was thinking that it's going to come down to this zone before bounce to this zone, but it didn't bounce to this zone. It didn't bounce to this trend line. Where it bounced was somewhere here. So which is on Wednesday last week, Tuesday, Wednesday last week. That was when, yeah, Tuesday. That was Tuesday. Monday was somewhere here. This is Sunday, Monday, and this is Tuesday. That was when it reached to that trend line, that big trend line that I was expecting it to bounce. So even now that the market has reached that zone, all I would do if I'm going to take this trade, I didn't post the trade, I didn't take it. Yeah, but I was seriously, I know that the market is going to be tanking from that zone. So look at what it created from here. A tank. This is about 100 and something pips. Let's check if it's about if it's 125 pips from that place. So this is just a free trade that you will just take. Just wait for a key zone, then you take this trade. So this week, all I'm going to be doing if I'm going to be taking a trade is somewhere here. I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity somewhere here because this market is going to come down here. Maybe tomorrow, if the market reaches this zone, I'm going to be taking a buy opportunity that will hit because I'm waiting for another bounce, which is, you can see we have the first bounce here. The first bounce on this trend line, the second bounce, and the third one here. So we are going to have a third bounce on this trend line before the market will break the trend line. Yeah, the second one, the third one. To complete this thing, another leg of the W pattern that I trade. So the pattern I trade is double top or double bottom. So you can call it W or M pattern. That's the pattern I trade. So if I'm going to be taking any trade this week, I'm going to be taking this trade as a buy opportunity next week. So GDP JPY is still on the buy move. Yeah, the bills are still active here. So taking a sell trade or being like you want to take a bear trade, you want to be selling is not advisable because this market is still going to be going up. Yeah, I'm still expecting a bounce on this trend line to take out this high. Yeah, once it take out this high and come back, that's where I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. Once it break this trend line that is here, this big trend line, and I'm expecting it to break this trend line maybe around Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, but it's going to do another bounce to the upside once it reaches this trend line somewhere here. somewhere here or here. Anyhow, I don't know, but I know that it's going to touch this trend line the third time to bounce up and come down, which is the next touch, which is going to make it the fourth one, is going to break it. That's what I'm expecting for this week. So what I do or what I trade is all these things that you are seeing here is psychology levels. So psychology levels are round up numbers which big boys pay close attention to. So psychology levels on GJ is so simple. If you are new here, so you can see this 186.500, 186.00 to 186.500 is 50 pips. So let's confirm if it is true. From here to here, this is 50 pips. So if it's above 50 pips, you are wrong. If it's below 50 pips, you are also wrong. So this is 50 pips. This is 50 pips. So this is how you get your psychology level. Another thing I use to trade is trend line. I use trend lines. So trend lines are vertical lines. You can see them here. It's so simple. And what I do is I make sure that it's touching 2 pips or 2 trough. 2 pips or 2 trough. Like you can see, this is a bottom. I'm looking for another bottom to make it a third one so that I will take a buy trade here. Another thing I do is also when it's coming from the downside, you can see 1, 2, 3. What happened? The fourth one is break. That's why I'm saying that this is going to make a third touch on this trend line before I'll be expecting a break of this trend line. So if I see a break of this trend line and see a retest on it, that means I'm going to be looking for a major retracement, which is going to be retracing from there to somewhere here. 50% of this move before another continuation of a buy move, because GJ is on a buy move. Yeah, all this while it has been on a buy move. You can see from here, market needs to load. Yeah, it's loading. You can see from here the GJ has been on a buy move all this while. That is it. So in trading, you have to really know what you are doing every time. You have to know what you are doing. As I'm saying, this is January. The reason why I'm not trading on like in this month of January is because I am trying to learn very well, master my strategy, and know what I'm doing. So I am not trading because I need to know my strategy very well. A wise man once says that if you're doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different outcome, that's the worst form of insanity. So you have to start reflecting. Yeah, reflection brings clarity. You have to start reflecting on what you are doing wrong, what you know that you need to improve, what you know that you need to do right, and start doing them, and also know what you are not doing right and leave them. So in as much as you see it is buying, does not mean it's going to sell. Like what I mean is this: once you see a market is buying and reach it, like this thing is a typical example of what I'm saying. Like I know back then when I used to trade, whatever I see in the chart, I don't have a strategy. Once I see this market has reached the resistance zone, I'll be saying, okay, all I'm going to be looking for here is only sell. But this is going to burn some people's hand, because this market is going to come back here and go up again, because you can see that the market has done all this while. What it's doing is just a minor retracement. So it's going to do a one push to the upside before the market will retrace the big one. Yeah, so let's go to daily time frame. Let me show you what is happening there. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is daily time frame. You can see what happened here. What are you seeing? You can see this move. This is an indecision candle. Yeah, so the market may likely come down as this thing. You can see this one. You can see this one. But one of the reasons why I don't think that it's going to do that is that this zone, they know that people are waiting for this zone. People are selling on this zone. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes they would like to manipulate it. Yeah, so I don't necessarily like to call it manipulation. I think this is what it is, because it is Forex. You have to be smart. Yeah, for you to take money from other people, you have to be smart. So this thing is going to come down somewhere here, maybe around tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Once you do a little bit retracement to this zone on this trend line, it will do a bounce to the upside, clear up here before it starts dropping the main drop. Yeah, before you start dropping the main drop.
That's what it's going to do. If it didn't come down or start moving from here, all I know is that it's going to test out this high a little bit, then start dropping down. So you have to know and understand what you are doing once you are trading. Trading is all about you and you. Stop allowing other people's opinion to affect your trading. Stop trying to be like them. Stop trying to make it like you want to be like someone else or be like your mentor or this one. Everybody has their own path to follow on this trading journey. You have to understand that you making money is all by yourself. Like, you making money or becoming successful is your own game, and you alone can make it happen for yourself. So build yourself up. Study everywhere and study one thing. That's why I'm trading only GJ for now, because I want to master GJ and very well. Once I start making money from GJ very well, because money that is in GJ, I can't make it all. GJ can give you so much money, yeah, if you understand it very well. And also, if you want to do or master one thing, fine, go and find a pair that you like and master it, because you can never know every pair, all the move that they are making. But if you master one pair and know the strategy, you will know what you are doing. Remember, I said that for you to know that I know what I'm doing on GJ, I told you that GJ is going to hit this zone and it's going to drop, and that's what happened. Once you reach that zone, it drops almost 50 something pips. If I was in this chart, I'm going to be targeting 50 pips, maybe somewhere here. From here, if I get in here, if I'm going to trade, I'm going to take this trade from here to here. I know myself, I know what I can do, so I'll be getting out from here. That's about it's something pips, and my stop loss will be above this place. You see, almost 15 pips above this place, and I will make about it's something pips if I was taking this trade that day. But I didn't take the trade. I was seeing it, but I don't want to take the trade because I said I'm not going to be trading this month. Yeah, so set a target and make sure you follow through. That's what I'm going to advise you. Set a target and make sure you follow through. Whatever you say that you want to do it. Don't let anybody manipulate you. Don't let yourself manipulate yourself. It's very important. So thank you so much. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turn your bell notification. Let's go.
Yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification, hit that like button for your boy. See you in the next video. Peace out.